Hello everyone, welcome to today's Mandala Art Workshop conducted by our very own new artist on board, Diya Chheda. So we'll wait for a few minutes for participants to join and we'll start soon. So today is our second day that we are live, and today we have Miss Dia with us, who will be teaching you all mandala art. So Dia is an expert artist in mandala. So she has been practicing mandala for over 2 years now. So she is. So we welcome Dia on board as our very own mandala artist. So official welcome to her. Welcome Dia. She is a student by profession, and as you all know, at Creative Kalakar, we give opportunities to all, each and everyone, and we conduct online art workshops for art and craft. So this April, we are coming up with various art and craft, various art workshops such as mandala art conducted by our very own Dia, Bidri art, Ganjifa card art, Tholu Bomlata art, and a free workshop if you enroll for either Bidri, Tholu Bomlata, or Ganjifa. Any of these two art, if you enroll, you get a free workshop for five folk art bookmarks. Also, we are going to conduct a pencil shading workshop and many more. So stay tuned. So I hope you all are ready with your materials today. So I'll be passing it on to Dia now. She'll give her introduction. Over to you, Dia.
Hello everyone, this is Diya Chheda. So I'm a student by profession and today I'll be teaching you mandala. So I hope you all know what is mandala, but if you don't, then let's start. So materials which are required is a black gel pen, a pencil, rounder, sketch pen, golden pen, glitter pen. If I have taken golden, you can definitely go with brown and a streak. So we'll start. First, we have to find a center point. So first you have to find a center point. So we'll find the center.
Sorry to interrupt, Dia, but if you could please just keep your things aside so that our participants can view the work. Yes, thank you. Uh, so, Dia, I wanted to know how your passion for mandala started. Could you just give us a brief story?
Actually, this started in the lockdown itself. So I had like 2 years back, I started with drawing and finally I completed it in lockdown. So from there onwards, I got interest in it. So from there I started. Okay. So we have got a center point now. So from here we'll be making a design, like we'll be making circles. The first circle, a half
Sorry to
circle.
interrupt Dia again. So our participants are mentioning it's not visible to them. So could you just darken your drawing a little?
Yeah, definitely.
So everyone, you are supposed to proceed, like find a center point of your page. So here Dia is using a square sheet of page, and now using your compass that you get in your geometry box, you have to use the same to continue.
The first circle is of 1 centimeter. So we'll be making 1.5 centimeter from the point, from the center point. Yeah. Then it is 2 centimeter.
So everyone, please make note, whenever you make a mandala, always and always you start with a grid, but mandala can even be done without a grid. So this we are doing without a grid today. So for without a grid, you need this technique that artist is teaching today. So you need to make semicircles. So today we'll be making a half and half mandala. So Dia will brief you about it, or what we are doing today. If possible, Dia, could you show our participants a reference image?
Yeah. This is the reference which we are going to do today.
That's really beautiful. So participants, as you can see, we are doing a half and half mandala today. So there are three types of mandala, basically pen mandala, dot mandala, and pulses mandala. So today we are doing one of a kind pen mandala. And all these mandalas have different levels. So if you wish to learn these levels, you can enroll in our workshops wherein even I teach mandalas. So yes,
Then you will be taking taking 2.5 centimeter from the center. Then 3.5. I hope you are enjoying it.
so Dia, I request you to repeat the concentric measurements again so that our participants can know.
Yeah.
Since there are people joining in, so if you can show them or brief them once again how you're doing it, the measurements.
Yeah, so till now I have taken first circle from the point is of 1.5 for 1.5 centimeter. Then the second is 2 centimeter. Then is 2.5 centimeter from the center, and third and the last circle which I've made is 3.5. Now the next circle which I'm going to make is 4.5 centimeter. Then is 5.5 centimeter.
So, participants, just a little quiz for you. I want to know how many of you actually know how mandala was discovered. If you guys know, please let us know in the chat box. We'll be glad to see all your comments. And if not, in a few moments, I'll be sharing the story. So, stay tuned.
Okay, so next circle is 7 centimeter. And the last circle is 7.5. And I hope I'm audible.
Yes, dear, you are. And could you just mention the total number of semicircles that we are doing today?
Yeah. So total the number of semicircles are 9. So accordingly, so we are done with the circles. Now I'll be doing the designs in it.
So before Diya starts, I would like let you know that there are many types of mandalas that we do, but each mandala is followed by levels. So there are 3 levels in every mandala that we do: basic, intermediate, and advanced. What you're learning today is an intermediate mandala. In case you wish to learn basic and advanced mandalas, you can contact us because we teach and conduct workshops for the same. And in April, Diya is going to conduct intensive mandala workshops throughout the month, provided with a certificate at the end too. So you can learn all the types of levels of mandala and you can continue.
Yeah. So I have taken this ochre color glitter pen. But if you, but I'm having this pen. So if you have brown glitter pen, you can definitely go with that. And these glitter pens are easily available in the market.
So even in pen mandala that we are doing today, there are linear mandalas, there are dual color mandalas, there are colored mandalas, there are black and white mandalas, there are multiple sorts of mandalas. So today we are doing a dual tone mandala, that is, one will be black, one will be golden. If you wish to learn any other, you can join our workshops and know more about it.
Then I have taken this black gel pen and will be making lines in this circle.
So first semicircle is to be colored golden. The second semicircle you have to make very
Make
thin
lines.
line. Diya, if possible, could you just show it on the camera? Could you just pick that up a little? Yes. So participants, as you can see, the second semicircle is to be filled with straight lines using a black pen. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Now the third semicircle is you have to draw petals, small petals in it. So as I do. How are you feeling doing this? Please mention in the comment box.
So let me introduce you to mandala now. It's now this is the perfect time to introduce you to mandalas. So mandala is a very therapeutic art that is there. It is a very meditative art and was started during the times of Buddha. If you want to know how it was discovered by Buddha, you can enroll in our workshops where we let you know all about it and the story that continues. So you can enroll in our April workshop for it. And as I told, there are many types of mandalas, but main mandalas are 3: pen, pulses, and dot mandalas. And we teach all these in our workshops. In
Okay.
April, we are coming up with an intensive mandala workshop, which will be throughout the month, followed by, in April, we are also conducting pencil shading workshop conducted by our very own artist Priyanka, and Bidri art, Ganjifa art, and Tholu Bondata art conducted by me.
Okay, so once you have made the small petals, inside this you will be making one more petal and then you will color in it. So we are done with this.
So that's how the second circle is done, everyone.
And the remaining part in that circle will be colored with the glitter pen.
So, in case you are doing it with us, please make sure you tag us on our Facebook and Instagram pages at the Creative Kalakar and Dia's Instagram page. So, we have all it listed in our description. So, please check out. And if you have missed any of the previous drawing that Dia has done, don't worry. This live will be there on Facebook and our channel. So you can watch it anytime and draw this art.
So before we start with the next design, there will be one more circle, like as a border, which is approximate like this thin, thin, thin line to be made. So you will make the next semicircle, you will be making design as such. I hope you people are enjoying there. And how are you feeling after doing these? Please let me know.
Sorry to interrupt, Dia, but could you just get it towards the camera once? So, participants, it's like a hexagonal petal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's an hexagonal petal that she is doing. So, make sure you do the same. Thank you.
So once I complete, I'll bring it to the camera again.
So mandala is all about feeling, about how you feel. So mandala has this ability to mandala has this ability to relieve all your stress, all your worries. So all you need to do is just patiently draw your mandala whenever you feel stressed or whenever you feel sad, angry. At any moment of time you can do this mandala art, and all you need to do is you just need to capture your feelings at point time. So in the start, if you might be feeling sad, note your feelings while you are doing the mandala, and after you are doing the mandala you'll see massive changes in it. So even if you're doing while this workshop, make sure you note your feeling changes.
Yeah, so inside once you made the outer shape, you'll same design will be making inside.
You can even do this mandala using colored pens, so that will become a colored mandala once you make it in color.
Once you made such design, then you have to color in the. Okay, so yeah, done. Then the line which you made, that is to be colored with the brown pen which you are having. Any queries, then you can definitely ask.
So, Dia, could you just give an insight to our participants on how various mandalas are done?
Yeah, various like mandalas are done for relaxing, basically for relaxing. If you're stressed, you can put it on the paper. So that will really help you out. And mandalas are like colorful, black and white, many types. So here you will be making lines.
So now is the correct time to note your second change in your feelings. So you judge yourself now, how you were feeling earlier and how you're feeling now. You might see some slight change or your stress and worries to be relieved. So you can even put up your mandalas in front of your bed, in your living rooms, wherever you feel like you need calm and carefree environment. You can put up a mandala there, concentrate on it for just 2 to 5 minutes, and you'll see the positive change happening.
So now the next design which we are going to make is a small petal.
So not only these arts like mandala or cross hatching, we also conduct various art at the Creative Kalakar, like various folk arts like Madhubani, Varli, Pichwai, and some arts like the name you might have not heard, like Sora, Aipan, Patachitra. But we conduct all these, and all these are conducted online. Even now, we are coming up with some modern arts like resin art, alcohol ink, pencil techniques, gouache art. So there are multiple art forms that we are coming up, and these arts will have a certificate provided at the end to certify that you had participated in this workshops with us. So in case you wish to register, you can contact us with the WhatsApp on WhatsApp with the link provided in the description. We even conduct group class for personal groups. So for even some events or personal birthday parties, we conduct fluid art, we conduct personalized art, and we are into personalized gifting too. So if you're interested, you can contact us. We even conduct drawing classes for kids of age 6 to 15 years on weekends, that too online. So you have an advantage there too, since there are these vacation season coming up. You can enroll your kids to our weekend art classes, wherein they can learn lots and lots of new techniques of art and craft.
Okay. So when we are done with the petals, inside that you'll be making some flowers like these. And the rest of the part you'll be coloring it.
While you're doing mandala art, please don't forget to like and follow our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube pages. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel too, because we come live. We come live regularly, so you can note when we come live. If you don't even have the notification, you can just press the bell icon and the notification icon on Facebook and Instagram, so that you know when we are live, and you can join us for our workshops. We have a unique technique to teach all our arts. So we go deep into the history of art so that you know what exactly you are learning. So that is the utmost benefit that you get with us. Not many know the history behind mandala. Do you know the history behind mandala? If you do, let us know in the comments, and we'll let you know how true it is. And in case you don't, do register for a mandala art workshops, and you can, or any other workshop, and you can get to know the history, the time frame, the timeline of that art.
Are you guys enjoying?
Do share this live with your friends and family, so that even they can get stress buster today. They can get a stress buster with art today. In case you can't join this live and have missed it, don't worry, we have got you covered. This art will be there as a video on our YouTube page, so you can do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Creative Kalakar by Ayushi Shah, so that you can watch this live any moment of time that you want. So here is a zoomed in version of the mandala that we are doing. Could you just get it down, Dia? It's not visible. Yes. So yes, everyone who requested a zoomed version of the mandala. Yeah, we can see only white sheet of paper.
Okay, now is it?
Yeah, thank you. So this is a zoomed version of the mandala, everyone.
Now we will be making one more petal as like this. Now this is the big petal which you're making.
So if you join for a mandala workshop with us, not only you can get to learn history of the mandala, the timeline of how mandala was done, but also you can learn 5 to 7 or more various patterns that you can include in your basic, intermediate, and advanced mandala, depending on the level that you are learning. We teach all kinds of patterns that you can accumulate in your mandala, and also the changes that you can make according to your wish. We are also soon, very soon, coming up with spiritual mandalas so that they can help you in your daily lifestyle.
Okay, so once you made these petals, then leaving some gap apart from the petals, you color the back.
So here we are using a black pen to color, but always make sure once you if you don't know how the perfect stroke will come, here our artist is trained to make those perfect strokes. So she has learned it, got trained, she has practiced a lot to make those perfect strokes with a black pen. But if you are a beginner and you can't make perfect strokes using a black pen, always and always use a black sketch pen to color areas, more areas where there is black part, or any color that has maximum portion. Make sure you use a type of sketch pen if you are doing it on paper. If on any other surface, so you choose your medium accordingly. But when you're doing on large surface, do make sure if you're a beginner, use a black sketch pen. So not only such basic mandalas we teach in pen like half and half, but we also teach you shape mandalas, galaxy mandalas, spiritual mandalas, then half mandalas, not half and half, but half mandalas, full mandalas, circular mandalas, square, triangular, you name it, and we have it. So there are many types of mandalas, and we try to cover most of it in our courses.
So I hope you all are with me. And once you are done with the pictures, and if you post it on your Instagram or Facebook, do not forget to tag Creative Kalakar and Diya Chheda 1234 on Instagram as well as Facebook.
So you all can see how beautiful a sunflower effect is coming to the mandala as our artist goes on. As Dia is going, you can see the beautiful shape of sunflower being made. That's really pretty, Dia. If you are loving it, don't forget to appreciate, because appreciation is the key to success, I feel. So, a fun fact about mandala, I don't know if you all know it, but in Gujarat, or specifically in Jain community, mandala is also called as mandlo. So, in their language, mandlo as in mandala, and they do it on their temple floors and temples to as an offering to God. So it's a type of rangoli that they do. So they use mandala as a type of rangoli in their temple. So all the Gujaratis out there, I hope you now remember that what similarities you were finding.
So now we are done with the coloring. So inside you will be drawing leaves like structure something like this.
So I would like to cover a few facts about mandala. I don't know if most of you know, but uh, as we all know, mandala is a meditative art and has psychological health benefits too. So if you know, mandala has really great psychological health benefits, and it is scientifically proven that if you watch or meditate near a mandala, it will help you release your stress and worries instantly. It has symbolism in Buddhism, a lot of symbolism, like Buddhists have discovered it. So it has its root in Buddhism. And it's not only restricted to a single medium and has creation of process, and it's very intricate. So as you go from basic to intermediate to advanced, you'll find that the patterns inside it are going deeper and deeper, and very intricate patterns will be formed. So in mandala, colors are important too. So if you all know about color theory, if you don't, we do teach color theory of mandalas in our workshops. But if you do, color theory plays a significant role in mandalas, colored mandalas especially. And as we all know, color theory helps in our health, in our minds. So similarly, colored mandalas and using color theory in mandalas have proven that they enlighten us and have a different concept and different feeling to our mind, body, and soul. Another fact about is it that mandala has been there for years now over in our culture and community, not only Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, or in our Indian community, but all over across the globe. Mandalas have been there for several years, but only and only they have come into existence or they have come into recognition for a few years now, because our lifestyle has gone so haywire, so hectic, that we all need some kind of stress buster for us. So mandalas were discovered back again. So I really say discovered because they were lost in the hectic schedules of our lives. But then back again, someone bought it back. So thankfully, and we are on the path again to make mandala more famous, make any Indian art, so any and every Indian art or any folk art that has been lost in the journey, we at Creative Kalakar tend to bring it back to everyone's so yes, they are showing something.
Yeah, so once we are done with these petals, the line which is remaining, we'll be coloring it with the brown pen. So once you complete, please let me know.
So check your feelings bar again, note how you're feeling about it. Now's the correct time for it. Do mention in the comments below and let us know. So everyone, please don't forget to tag us, because we also conduct exhibition, online virtual exhibitions during annual virtual exhibitions. So if you tag us and keep on doing our art forms or workshop with us, you can get a chance to be featured in our virtual exhibition. So I believe Dia was also in one such exhibition. So Dia, could you share your review or share your experience about it?
Yeah, so after doing this mandala, even I was a part of a exhibition, so even I enjoyed and I got an opportunity to show up all my drawings which I had made in this during this lockdown, and it was really a wonderful opportunity. And if you all do this like mandalas or any other kind of artworks, then you will also get such an opportunity to exhibit all your drawings there. And this is what we made.
Well, you'll have to be a very big fan of us to do that, because if you keep on tagging us, your name will reflect with us. Uh, we do keep our fans in mind. We do keep our followers in our mind. So do tag us every time you do some art learning from us, or you conduct or you attend any workshop with us. You definitely get a chance to visit our virtual exhibition and be a part of it. So you can definitely exhibit there. So please don't forget to tag or join our workshop too.
Okay, so after you've done this design, so you'll be making lines as these, and then you'll be, and after making this, you'll be joining it with.
That's a really pretty drawing, Dia. And we have comments coming in. People are saying it's really nice. They are learning some new art today. They are having a really nice experience doing it. So thank you all, and I hope you have the same review or feedback for us till the end, because there is still more to come. We have the other half of mandala to do, so stay tuned.
You'll border it. So in this lines, you will make circles. The one in this, you'll be making the circles here.
So people, you have to make circle in the border line that we just made. In between the two petals, you have to make circles.
As this, once you made circles, then you have to do dot dot like such in this. The remaining part, you will make dot dots.
So
You will
did
be
you
put
know
in dots.
these dots are also called stippling? So this
Yeah, stippling.
dotting technique is also called stippling. So fun fact for you. Well, just for a thought, if you are watching it live or if you will be practicing it, why not create a beautiful trending thing? Tag us on your Instagram or Facebook page with hashtag TCK की party हो रही है. That is the creative कलाकार की party हो रही है. So this is a kind of therapeutic party that we do here. The best tags can also get a chance to get featured with us. And so please do tag us with hashtag TCK की party हो रही है.
So once you are done with such a design, you will be drawing this dots like big, small, and small with the help of that brown pen. I hope you are enjoying. Okay, so yeah, so we are done with half part of this. Now on the other part of the mandala, we'll be making Buddha. So which is the meditative type. I hope you all are enjoying and please let me know in the comment section.
So, Dia, if you have some of your drawings to show to your participants, is it possible that you can show us some of your drawings?
Yeah, that's so this is one, the
Uh,
colorful one.
Sorry, could you place it down? It's a little big. Okay. Yes, participants. So here we have one beautiful Mataji with us, a beautiful Ma Durga with us here. So very beautiful, very pretty. Please let us know in the comments of how you feel this drawing is.
And there are many.
Wow. So this is one of a kind mandala. This is really beautiful, really beautiful. Oh, we have Ganu Bapa too. Wow. Beautiful Ganesh ji in mandalas. So these are all of a kinds of shape mandalas. Do you have more, Dia?
Yes, this is one of Mavi Swami, which is under a Kalpavruksha tree.
Wow, really beautiful, Dia. So, see, participants, if you wish to learn such beautiful art from Dia, do enroll in our workshop in April.
Like peacock.
Wow, this is mesmerizing. Wow, this is really detailed. So, this is an very advanced mandala. So, yes, if you wish to learn,
This is a bird,
wow,
again a Buddha,
really pretty.
and this is also a Buddha.
Really beautiful, Dia, really beautiful. Yes, participants, now to our last part of our today's mandala, that is the second half. Yes. So now we'll be learning the second half of mandala.
I hope you have done this part. Okay, so we'll be starting with the Buddha.
You can make any you can make a flower, you can make a flower, you can make anything in the second half of the mandala. Here today we are making a Buddha in meditative position.
And make sure that the ये बुद्धा डिजाइन के बराबर ही होना चाहिए.
Yes, correct, Dia. So participants make sure, or anyone who's doing it, make sure the design is parallel and of the same size as the mandala. So always make your mandala first, and if you wish to draw any second half, make sure it is of the same size as the mandala, of the same
Yeah.
height as the mandala.
So once you made the outer shape of the body, then just color inside it using a sketch pen.
So here, since the surface is maximum, we are using sketch pen for better strokes. Even you can use poster colors here, but it's black. And since it's black, always make sure black is done at the very end. We are coming up with some amazing designs this April in our mandala workshops, our intensive mandala workshop. Then again, we have Bidri Art Workshop wherein you can learn a photo frame and a wall art for Bidri. We have Ganjifa painting where you will be learning two Ganjifa art cards or wall painting that you call it. Then in Tolu Bomlata art, you will be learning a beautiful, beautiful wall art and a deliverable that is two beautiful wall frames that you can frame after painting it. And for this, the Bidri, Ganjifa and Tholu Bomlata art of either of the three, if you enroll for two, अगर ये तीन आर्ट में से आप कोई भी दो आर्ट करते हो, दैट इज बिद्री गंजीफा और थोलू बोमलता में से कोई भी दो आर्ट करते हो, तो यू कैन अर्न, आपको एक फ्री वर्कशॉप मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप बुक मार्क्स बना सकते हो 5 अलग-अलग folk arts के. So you can learn to make 5 different folk art bookmarks if you enroll for either two of Bidri, Ganjifa or Tholu Bomlata. Any two of these three arts, you can earn yourself a free bookmark workshop. And we are also coming up with pencil shading workshops this April. So stay tuned, and if you are interested to enroll in any of these, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link has been provided in the description. There you can check, you can contact us and we'll share the details with you. We are starting our April art workshops from the 2nd of April. That is, every weekend we'll be holding a workshop. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So in case you want to enroll, you can find the details even on our Facebook page for Tholu Bomlata, Bidri and Ganjifa painting workshops. You can find the details on our Facebook page. And if you're furthermore interested, you can contact us on WhatsApp and we'll provide you with other details. So we are nearing completion for our painting today. So now is the another best time to check on your feelings. So please do note your feelings, how you're feeling about it.
Yeah. So we are done with the painting. In fact, the whole drawing. So please let me know in the comment section how is it looking.
Wow, Dia, it's really fantabulous. Could you just hold it a little? Yeah, yes. A little more on the top. Yes, it's really beautiful, Dia. And everyone, you can learn more of these art forms, more of these in our coming upcoming workshops with a certificate. So you'll even learn and get a certificate for it. So this is one of a kind opportunity. If you want to enroll, please do contact us, and thank you for attending today's workshop. And if you have done with us or will do learning from these, don't forget to tag us on our Facebook and Instagram pages at the handles The Creative Kalakar and Diya Sheda, respectively. Really amazing. We are getting comments like, wow, really calm and soothing. Beautiful. Yes, indeed, it is beautiful. Thank you so much for attending, and thank you so much, Dia, for bringing this beautiful art form to our platform today. You wish to say something to our participants?
Yeah, first of all, I'll thank you so much, Ayushi, for giving this opportunity to teach you all. And I hope you enjoyed today's session. So look look forward for our upcoming workshops too.
Yes, participants. And once you're done with your mandala drawing, last time, for the very last time, make sure you know your feelings, how you're feeling about it, and do note it down. And I definitely know that you might have some changes in your feeling at the start and at the very end right now. So thank you so much for attending, and thank you so much, Dia, for the taking this workshop for us today. Thank you so much, everyone. Looking forward to you in a further workshops. Thank you and bye.